Hey guys, well, we haven't made a video in a long while, so I thought I would just turn the camera on real quick to show you something that we've been up to here at the shop and give you a little prelude to what is coming down the road for the channel. So I guess we'll start with the old Dodge. If you watch the channel much, you know that we got this old 96 Ram 12 valve truck, and it's our primary means of transportation for when we pick stuff up to flip or, you know, bring junk to the dump or whatever truck activities we have to do. And I decided this summer that I wanted to upgrade this truck, guys. I wanted to do some engine upgrades and I wanted to do some drivetrain upgrades. So what I did is I parked this truck in the shop, tore it apart, and we've been driving this Dakota for the last couple months. And we're going to be getting rid of this thing soon, probably I'd say in 2 months, maybe February or so, because we're going to need it. Now I just want to show you what we've done to this thing so far. I'll explain to you what we've done because I can't show it all to you. It's not done yet. So the first thing we did was we replaced the transmission. We got one of the built up 47 RE Dodge transmissions, built for about 500 horsepower. I figured, what's that, 850, 900 foot-pounds of torque maybe. And we got a new torque converter, so we upgraded the transmission. Then we took out the drive shaft, and you can actually see the drive shaft right there. And we replaced the drive shaft U-joints with some heavy-duty drive shaft U-joints. At the same time, we thought, let's replace the exhaust. So we got an MBRP 4-inch turbo back exhaust kit. We also brought the rear end into the rear end shop, and we had that Dana 70 completely rebuilt. There's a new posi unit in there. I even went as far as ordering up a fancy Yukon brand diff cover. Some truck jewelry there. Not that you'll ever see that, but it does say it holds a little more oil, and it also it's angled inside to sling that oil a little more aggressively at the gears inside. And then of course the last thing that's going to be left to do on this bad boy, aside from the front suspension, we replaced the rear suspension, new leaf springs, new overload springs, new U-bolts, etc. So what's left? Well guys, we got the engine that's left, so we're going to be replacing the turbo, the injectors, going to have the injection pump updated. So there's going to be some upgrades done to it, governor springs, a couple of valves, things like that. The diesel guy says we're going to be making about 500 horsepower out of this motor, so probably 450 at the rear wheels, which is 2 times, close to 2.5 times what it's got now. And yeah, so anyway, this is project number 1 that's on the burner, guys, here at the shop. Just thought you might want to see that, because like I said, we haven't made any videos lately about anything. So there's the first video in a long time about this truck and what's going on with it. I'll turn the camera back on when we get some of those new parts in for it. All right, hit the subscribe button. I'll make some more videos on this subject, and I'm going to throw the camera back on shortly and make another video about some of the stuff that's going on in the shop. All right, thanks for watching.